In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a team in Canva. Before we get started, make sure you're already logged into your Canva account in your web browser. Deleting a team is a permanent action, so only continue if you're absolutely sure you no longer need that team and its shared content. You'll also need to have the right permissions, usually as the team owner or an admin, in order to follow these steps. Once you're logged in, move your attention to the lower left corner of the Canva interface. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click that. A small menu will appear, and from that menu, select Settings. This will open the main settings area for your account. Inside the settings page, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see another vertical panel with different sections. In this panel, find and click on the section labeled Your Teams. When you select this, Canva will display all the teams associated with your account in a grid layout on the right side of the screen. Each team will appear as its own card or tile, usually showing the team's name and some basic information. Take a moment to carefully locate the specific team you want to delete. It's important to double check you have the correct team here, especially if you're part of multiple teams with similar names. Once you've found the right team card, look at the top right corner of that card. You should see a More Options icon, typically represented by 3 dots. Click this icon to open a drop-down menu with several actions related to that team. From the drop-down menu, choose the option that says Delete Team. As soon as you click this, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This pop-up is Canva's way of making sure you understand what will happen next. On the pop-up, you'll see an explanation of the consequences of deleting the team. Read this information carefully. It may include notes about losing access to shared designs, folders, or brand assets associated with that team. Once you've reviewed the details and you're still sure you want to continue, look for the confirmation field within the pop-up. Canva will ask you to type the team's name into this field to confirm that you really do want to delete it. Enter the team name exactly as it appears. After you've typed it in, look to the bottom right of the pop-up and click the Delete Team button. The team will now be deleted, and that's it.